Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much glutathione you should take in a day. Glutathione is a vital antioxidant, crucial for detoxification and immune function. While your body produces it naturally, supplementation can be beneficial for some. We'll cover common dosage ranges and important considerations to help you make informed decisions about your health. Remember, personalized advice is always best. Determining the right glutathione dosage isn't one size fits all. Your current health status, including any underlying conditions, is a major factor. The type of supplement also matters. For instance, liposomal forms often offer better absorption than standard capsules. Additionally, your lifestyle, including diet and stress levels, can influence your body's need for this powerful antioxidant. Always consider these elements. Glutathione comes in various forms, each with different absorption rates. Liposomal glutathione, for example, is designed to protect the molecule from degradation in the digestive tract, leading to better uptake. S-acetyl glutathione is another effective oral option known for its stability and absorption. For more immediate and potent effects, intravenous administration is available, though it requires medical supervision. Choose wisely based on your needs. While generally safe, some individuals might experience mild side effects from glutathione supplementation, such as abdominal discomfort or bloating. Allergic reactions are rare but possible. It's always wise to start with a lower dose and monitor your body's response. If you have any concerns, consult your doctor. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.